don't know what to say back to you, and we're not giving them the right words to get out of them what we want. You have to take control of the conversations. And so the same thing, if someone says, if I send a reach out and I say, do you have some time to chat about this week? And they say yes, I do not say back to them, okay, when is good for you? When is good for you has an infinite number of answers. That's too much. You're now not in control of the conversation. You've handed off control. If Brenda says back to me, yes, I have time to chat with you this week, I'm going to say, where are we at? We're at Saturday. I'm going to say, great, Brenda, I have time on Monday in the morning or Tuesday in the afternoon, which is better for you. There's only two answers to that question. She's going to say, oh, neither of those work for me. Great. I have time Monday in the afternoon at 4, or I have Tuesday at 9 a.m. Do either of those work for you? And I'm going to keep only giving her two choices until she answers me. I'm not going to give her infinite choices. All right. That's all I have.
That's all. That's all. Brilliant. Thank you. Write that down, everybody, about the two choices. People, especially if your follow-ups aren't working, which nobody's follow-ups work perfectly. We're not looking for everybody. All right, who else do we have?